John Napier, his life, his logs, and his bones. John Napier was a Scottish mathematician, physicist, and astronomer who was born in 1550 in Edinburgh. Napier was privately tutored and did not have a formal education until he was 13, when he was sent to St Salvator's College, St Andrews. He did not stay in college for very long, as he travelled to Europe to better his studies, only to return to Scotland in 1571 at the age of 21. Napier is best known as the discoverer of logarithms. His initial interest in astronomy led him to developing logarithms. Put simply, John Napier found a way to simplify large number calculations. He published 2 books. His technique of calculation of log was published in 1614. His work concerning the computation of logarithms was published 2 years after his death in 1620.
He wanted to get pigeons impounded because they provoked him.
He gave explanation of logarithms along with logarithm tables, which helped in carrying out mathematical operations like multiplication in very short times. We now know them as natural logarithm. Professor Henry Briggs came to Scotland in 1615 to work with Napier to revise the logarithm table to make the calculations simpler and easier. Together, they got this new table published, known as the Table of Common Logarithms, making calculations much simpler and easier. Napier also invented Napier's bones. These were a set of rods that provided a mechanical method for multiplication and division. This working of this incredible invention contributed to future developments such as analog computers and the slide rule. Logarithms allowed mathematicians to change division and multiplication problems into subtraction and addition problems before the discovery of calculators. Formulas for population growth, compound interest, and apparent magnitude of celestial objects all use logarithms. The ability of logs to simplify complex equations allows for much faster calculations in statistics and financial mathematics, as well as physics and engineering. The main application of logarithms is in exponential growth and decay, which has many applications in the modern world.
Napier owned a jet black cock that allegedly told him about his servants stealing from him.
Mathematician Henry Briggs visited Napier in 1615, where they discussed Napier's logarithms and the existence of the constant now known as e. Neither Napier nor Briggs actually discovered the constant e. That discovery was made decades later by Jacob Bernoulli. Napier's logarithms allowed Thomas Urquhart to develop trisotetris, which was a table for resolving all manner of triangles, whether plane or spherical, far simpler than ever before.
Thomas Urquhart died from laughter.
Napier's bones were a multiplication tool using a set of numbered rods and was a key concept used by Fibonacci in lattice multiplication. Johann Kepler was a practitioner who benefited greatly from Napier's discovery of logarithms. Kepler used Napier's discoveries to develop his 3 laws of planetary motion.